So if you're a Muslim and you want to eat healthy this Ramadan and stick to your health goals, I got some sauce for you. Okay, so my first swap is around hydration. If you live in the greater Seattle area, Red Bull has a grip on us. We got to reduce the Red Bull intake, y'all, during Ramadan, and caffeine, overall soda, sugary drinks. You want to focus on drinking water during the time gap that we have. I also love herbal teas, especially if you're having any bloating or digestive issues. I love having these like during Tarawih or before Tarawih. It does a trick. My second tip might get me canceled, but y'all, let's normalize air fried samboos, please, or samosas, whatever you call it, because the way fried sambusa is killing my community, like I'm tired. And I'm gonna add a little bit of tips. I think we should have lentil and like veggie vegan sambusas more than twice a week. That's gonna help us stick to our health journey. But yeah, so fried to air fried, they taste the same. It's just a little bit more crunchier. I like it. My last tip is around sugar. Y'all, we need to reduce our sugar intake. During Ramadan, we be going crazy, okay? I love fruit bowls, just having that all the time during iftar, suhoor, and stuffed dates. You can just stuff them with some peanut butter, a bit of hemp seeds, a bit of like nuts. So good. And sprinkle some dark chocolate. It literally tastes like a Reese's bar. But yeah, I love these swaps. Also, I love having dark chocolate, just freezing it. But yeah, we want to reduce our sugar intake to stick to our goals. But yeah, those are my swaps. Inshallah, starting tomorrow, I'll be releasing daily tips for healthy Ramadan. So follow me for more. Bye.